Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uploading photos to Pinterest on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of Pinterest, tap the plus icon at the bottom, then choose Pin. Tap Allow if you haven't allowed Pinterest access to your photos in the past. Choose the photo that you would like to post, and then tap Next. Here you can give your pin a title and description if you like. You can also add a website and describe your pin's visual details. When you are ready to post your pin, tap Next. Choose the board that you would like to post your pin to. You can create a board at the bottom if you like. You can then go to the board and check out your new pin. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.